Recently, the Advisory Council of the OBC Department AICC was held in Bangalore, in which meeting we have passed 3 resolutions. One among them is Bengaluru Declaration. I will just read the resolution, Bengaluru Declaration. The Advisory Council of the OBC Department of AICC unanimously thank Nyaya Yodha Rahul Gandhi ji for courageously taking up the cause of social justice for the marginalized sections of our country and for OBC in particular. Rahul ji's steely resolve forced the Modi government surrender to the just and constitutional demand for the caste census in India. On behalf of OBC of India, we all thank Nyaya Yodha Rahul Gandhi ji for this historic achievement. But this is not just a milestone. In Rahul ji's courageous and brave leadership, India is destined to realize and achieve the ultimate objective of social transformation, leading to social equity in our great nation. We hereby resolve and take vow to continue to fight for justice for all with the flag of our Congress party in our hand, under the brave and courageous leadership of our Nyaya Yodha Rahul Gandhi ji. We hereby pass a resolution for an intense and fierce nationwide national campaign for 1. National level caste census by the Census Commission of India, officially known as the Office of the Registrar General and Census Commissioner, India. The census must include social, economic, educational, employment, political aspects of each individual and caste, with Telangana Sheep Caste Survey as a role model. Breaking 50% cap in reservation for OBCs. The reservation in private educational institute as per Article 15, Clause 4 of the Constitution. Those who are in favor of the resolution, please raise your hands. Thank you.